So the next point number 4 is just the opposite of the last point. Opposite means the last point was nouns, those singular in form but plural in function. But here we are to discuss about some nouns, those are plural in form. Plural in form but singular in functions. Means actually we are talking about singular noun, but somehow with added s or es they create confusion. So that means what is the common points we will derive from this line? Plural in form and singular in function means we will have some nouns here. We will have some nouns, those are added with s or es. Those are added with s or es. That means we cannot remove the s or es from these nouns. This is one thing. Second thing, as I told, they are singular in functions. So singular means they can be singular countable noun and they can be singular uncountable noun. If they are singular countable, then easily we can use article a or n before it. And if they are singular uncountable, then using of articles, mostly a or n, will stand incorrect. As both are singular, then both will carry singular verb as well as singular adjective, singular pronoun if it is needed, singular verb. Okay, so common sense says when we write that there some nouns, those are plural in form and singular in functions, these are some points, those are derived from this particular line and completely based on our common sense. So let us take some examples. See, the best example we can have for here is, suppose take one example here, summons. When we say that summons, it means what? The word already has what? S. Then it might give a confused appearance, confused indication that, sir, this word may be plural, but exactly not. Summon means something which is notified from the court or from the court mostly, that is called as a summons. That somebody will appear before the judge and will put his side in front of the judge. So that is called as a summon, means notice in verbs, notice. So summon, the word which has already what? Existing s. So it is singular. So when it is singular, we have to use a or n before it. We cannot write summons individually. As it is a singular and countable noun, we have to write what? A or n. And when you want to make it a plural, you have to add additionally s or es. Because the word means the word will be, it is summonses. Summons is not plural. If you want the plural form of that particular word, you have to add what? Summonses. Understood? So like other words, like summons, there are some other words. We can say that news, s is added. Then suppose again I am writing here summons. Then other next word is ethics, athletics, genetics, Okay. News. Singular uncountable noun. I told you here, words come with s or es. They will function singular. They will function in a they will function like a singular noun. So if they are singular, they can be singular countable noun, they can be singular uncountable noun. So here news is singular singular uncountable noun, and summon is singular countable noun. So if it is singular, you have to add es or es to make it plural. But if it is singular uncountable noun, you can't add s or es before it. Ethics means the general etiquettes. Athletics, you know, genetics is a science term, right? So these are some common examples. Apart from these common examples, there is also a clue we can through which we can remember many other words. Those come in these categories. Clue is what? It is the name of subjects. This is one. Name of diseases. Name of sports. Name of diseases. Name of sports. Name of we can say that novels, movies, etc. So name of anything else is always singular. So in this series, suppose it is written name of subjects, we can write here physics, we can write here politics. All right, we can write here physics, we can write here politics. Understood? See, then something will come to your mind ki sir, what about the chemistry, what about biology? See, they will not create a confusion. They are singular and they will take singular verb. But we are discussing about those that will create confusion. So when we say that physics, it is with s. When we say that politics, it is with s. So that means these nouns create confusion. As with the additional s or es, we may think plural, but exactly they are singular. Now come to word disease. We can say that words like disease like mumps, disease like measles, mumps, measles, AIDS, diabetes, etc. Sports here, it is the word name of the some sports like it is draughts, then it is billiards. Remember these words, it is draughts. All right, confusion is that it is drought, D-R-O-U-G-H-T. Drought is opposite of flood. Drought is opposite of flood. So the name of the sport is drought. When we say that nobles, then it will be the Arabian Nights. It is the name of the nobles. The Gulliver Travels. It is Gulliver's Travels. All right. Movies, name of the movies like the Avengers, like in Hindi, that is 100 days. So all these words, all these name of subjects, disease, sports, novels, movies, they generally create an impression that they are plural, but actually they are singular. All right, let's have some questions based on this particular thing. So questions, past questions. It is I don't believe these news Questions number, he has received summons from the magistrate. Questions number 3. Question number 3, it is your mathematics is weak. Your mathematics is weak. Questions number 4. Okay, it will come. We will write later, but let us discuss these questions first. Yes. So the first question is, I don't believe this news. So there is a question approach skill, right? Question approach skill is that identify the part of speech, like when you say that don't and believe. Don't is an helping, do is the helping verb, not is an adverb of negation, it's adverb of negation, believe is the main verb. I don't what, in the answer what, news will come, these news, then these news will be our object. This news will be object, but from this object we have news which is a noun, these which is an adjective, and I, it is the subject, and in parts of speech it is also pronoun. Question approach skills means, break the sentence. It is called breaking of the sentence with the parts of speech and parts of sentence. So when you say I don't believe this news, now our sole concern will be on what? News. As I told, news is a word which is singular uncountable noun. So when it is singular uncountable noun, the adjective which is used before the news should be also singular. So instead of these, the right word should be this. It is, I don't believe this news. Clear? I don't believe this news. Second sentence, he has received summons from the magistrate. If I again break the sentence, then here has will be helping verb. For helping verb, we have the main verb. It is received. He has received what? It is the summons. Then summons will be the object of the sentence. From is the preposition, and the magistrate, it is the object of the prepositions. All right. And he is the subject, which is the pronoun. Also object, which is a noun here. The object and the subject of the sentences always noun or pronoun. So problem is what? Where is the summon? Summon is a what? Summon is a singular countable noun. So if it is singular countable noun, if he has received one summon, then we have to write what? A summons. If it was written many, if many, then we should make it plural. We should make it plural. That means we have to write it many summons. So a summons, and here many summons. In point number 3, it is written, your mathematics is weak. Your mathematics is weak. So when I say that your mathematics is weak, mathematics, no doubt it is a name of what? Mathematics is a name of a subject. So it is singular. But when the name of the subject comes after a possessive adjective like your or the article the, it has a different meaning It is not the mathematics in general, but it gives the meaning of a mathematical abilities, mathematical skills. Understood? So, and it becomes plural. We can say that, see, whenever we have a sentence, it is like mathematics is the mother of, mathematics is the mother of all sciences. This is correct. Here mathematics, it is used as a name of the subject in general. Understood? But when it is written your mathematics, it means your mathematical abilities, your mathematical skills. Like we can say that politics is a dirty game. It's correct. Politics is. But his politics are or were well known to all. That means when politics is written individually, it indicates the name of the subjects. But when it is written after any possessive adjectives, your politics, it becomes your political tricks, your political abilities. So then it will becomes what? It will become plural. So in that sense, your mathematics is weak will be incorrect. Your mathematics are weak. Your mathematics are weak. So I don't believe this news he has received. So these are some questions we discussed here. To understand nouns, those are functions. Functions as singular but appearance is plural. Function as plural but the appearance is singular. Apart from these three questions, we may take two more questions to analyze this. In questions number 4 and questions number 5. Question number 4. Ethics demand honesty. So when we write that ethics demand honesty, so then again break the sentence. Here it is ethics demand what? That means ethics becomes your subject, demand becomes verb, main verb, honesty is the object. Again here ethics is the noun, demand again same the verb, and honesty is the noun. So our focus should be where? Our focus should be on ethics. Ethics is a singular, uncountable noun. So as it is singular uncountable noun, the verb should be singular. The singular verb always comes with s or es. That means when we say that go and when we say that goes, go is a plural verb, it used with the plural subject, and goes is a singular verb, it used with the singular subject. It is singular verb, it is used with the singular subject. Understood? That means verb with s or es becomes singular. So ethics demand honesty, it is again incorrect. It should be ethics demands honesty because it is singular. Okay, so this is all about the these 2 points we have discussed in all these things in detail. We have learned the concepts, we have taken the important examples, and for our better understanding we have also taken some questions. Those are already appeared in the different examinations. So that's all. Thank you for watching.